Okay, so here we have another view of the beach. There's the airport over there. Lauren and I are on a gazebo here. Hello. Looking like a dorky tourist. Look at our beautiful view. Like I said, we're on a gazebo out in the ocean, and we are going to catch, from another angle, one of the, looks like a 777 coming in. Maybe it's a 757. Still no 747s. I saw them twice. They're elusive. Pretty sweet. Views everywhere of the oceans and the planes and the people.